Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add or remove apps on Microsoft Teams. So on the left hand side here you can see three dots, click on it, and then over here if you want to go ahead and install or if you want to add any application, so you simply go ahead and search that application. So for example, I'll show you if I want to add OneNote, I will go ahead and write OneNote in search box and then click on OneNote, and then I will see the add option, so click on add. And this is how you can go ahead and add any application on Microsoft Teams. Now in case if you want to go ahead and uninstall the app, in that case again click on this three dot and then you can go ahead and find the app over here. If you don't find the app, then in that case you can go ahead and write down the name of the app. So in my case I want to uninstall OneNote, just an example. So go ahead and type in the name of the application in search box and then make a right click on the application and then click on uninstall, or you can simply click on this three dot and then click on uninstall and then click on uninstall once again. So this is how you can go ahead and add or remove application on Microsoft Teams. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.